Morning, everybody. Well, we got a little bit of snow, not a ton, but I want to test out the edge tamers in the snow and see how it goes. I think now is kind of really a worst case scenario. It wasn't really all that cold, and the gravel down below isn't really frozen well. So we're gonna go ahead and take the edge tamers, install them here with a 3/4 inch ratchet, and just go to town. Stick around, guys. Alright, we're bolted on. We're bolted on, let's go to town.
So as I'm going down the driveway, I have the loader in the float function, and on my tractor that is the loader handle all the way forward. You'll feel it click. That allows the bucket to float over the ground, and with no hydraulic pressure, follow the curvature of the land below it. Even in the backyard, moving snow out of an area so our little Shih Tzu, which is barely even a dog, has a place to go outside and potty. You'll notice that it is breaking a couple of pieces of grass up every now and then, but it's not digging into the ground or causing an issue. Keep in mind, it wasn't long ago that, really the day before it snowed, it was above freezing, so the ground really isn't froze hard yet. So pretty impressed with this. As I do this and push farther along the backyard, I'm not seeing them dig in, and I'm very pleased with the performance of these. today, everybody. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. That's the best thing you can do to help the channel out. And if you feel so inclined and would like to follow along when I post more videos and kind of stay in the loop with the channel, you can subscribe over here on your left. If you click on my logo for the channel, it'll get you subscribed to the channel and you can go from there. And while you're in there, if you'd like to get alerts as soon as I post videos, you click that little bell next to it and it will let you know when I post videos right away. I really appreciate all you loyal viewers out there. And for those of you tuning for the first time, I appreciate it as well. I'm really happy with how the channel is growing and I think we're going in the right direction. So thanks again. And until next time, this is Kyle signing out.